Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm your host Zinain. Welcome to AI Vibes Hub, your place to learn artificial intelligence practical way. In today's video, we'll explore Let's Get Started. Artificial intelligence has become an important part of our daily lives. We use AI in education, healthcare, business, and many other fields. Privacy means protecting our personal information. It helps keep our data safe from unauthorized access. Personal information includes our name, phone number, email address, passwords, and bank details. We should never share this information carelessly. Data security means protecting our data from viruses and cyber attacks. It keeps our information safe and secure. Always use a strong password with letters, numbers, and special characters. Never share your password with anyone. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security. It helps protect our accounts even if someone knows our password. Remember, good online habits help keep our information safe, makes us smarter and more secure. Artificial intelligence is very useful, but we must use it responsibly. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.